Most people think Claude Code is just another AI chatbot you open in a terminal, but that's not even close to what it actually is. Because what you're about to see is not chatting with AI. It is watching an AI build software inside your machine like a real developer. And the crazy part is it does not just suggest code. It writes it, runs it, debugs it, and fixes itself automatically. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it the same way, and there is one simple trick at the end that most people completely miss. Before we start, if you're into AI tools that actually change the way you work, hit like, drop a comment on what you're trying to build, and subscribe so you do not miss the next videos. Now, let's get into it. Most people think Claude Code is just a fancy chatbot inside your terminal, but it's not. Claude Code is an autonomous coding agent. That means it does not just answer questions, it performs tasks. It can read your files, create new projects, write full scripts, run terminal commands, detect errors, and fix its own mistakes in a loop. Think of it less like a tool and more like a junior developer sitting next to you who never gets tired, never gets distracted, and always shows its work. Installation is very simple. First, you need Node.js installed on your system. If you do not have it, install it from the official website. Then open your terminal and run npm install-g at anthropic.ai/claudecode. Once that finishes, type Claude. The first time you run it, it will ask you to log in with your Anthropic account. Just do it and you are inside. Now you're connected to a terminal-based AI developer. If you're not sure how to install Node.js or set up your system properly, there's another video on this channel that explains it step by step. You can watch that first and then come back. Let's build something real. We are not doing a basic hello world. We are building a practical tool, a Python script that renames images automatically based on what's in them, using AI. Watch this prompt carefully. Create a Python script called imagedescriber.py. It should scan all images in a folder passed from the command line, send each image to a Vision AI model, generate a short descriptive file name, and rename the files automatically. It should handle errors like missing files or API failures and print progress in the terminal. Now here's what happens. Claude Code does not just reply. It creates the file, writes the full script, checks dependencies, runs commands, fixes errors if they appear, and keeps improving until it works. Here's a real-world example. Instead of saying add authentication, you should be specific. Add JWT authentication to this Node.js Express app. Use the existing user model in models/user.js. Tokens should expire in 7 days. Do not change the current folder structure or existing routes. That small change completely changes the result because now the AI understands your stack, your constraints, and your intent. Here's a pro tip most people miss. Claude Code can read a file called CLAUDE.md. If you create this file in your project folder, Claude Code will automatically read it every time. That means you can define coding style, project structure rules, naming conventions, and things it should never touch. Once you set it up, you don't have to repeat yourself again. 3 mistakes most people make. First mistake, approving commands without reading them. Always check what it's about to run. Second mistake, using it for decisions that require human judgment. It can execute perfectly, but it doesn't understand your product vision or users. You decide strategy, it handles execution. Third mistake, not knowing about the undo feature. If something goes wrong, type undo. It will reverse the last action cleanly. Claude Code is not magic, but it becomes extremely powerful when you give it clear instructions, structure your project properly, and use Claude.md. Start small. Pick one real task today and try it. That's usually the moment it clicks. If you enjoyed this, leave a comment and share your thoughts on what you want to build next. See you in the next one.